Facebook fundraisers are an excellent way to get your friends and family involved in making an impact, whether in your local community or around the world. In this video, you'll learn how to create your own Facebook fundraiser. First, log into your Facebook account. Once on your newsfeed, select Fundraisers from the left-hand side of the screen underneath the Explore tab. You might need to hit See More to get to it. Once you're on the Fundraisers page, select the Raise Money button. A window will pop up asking you who you're raising money for. On Facebook, you can raise money for a friend, a nonprofit organization, or for yourself. If the person or organization you want to raise money for is not on Facebook, you'll need to click the link at the bottom. Select whichever is most appropriate for your fundraiser. In this example, we'll be raising funds for a nonprofit organization. Toward the top, type in the name of the nonprofit into the search bar and select it from the results page. Underneath, How much money do you want to raise? Type in the amount of money you want to raise. Next to this field, there's a drop-down menu if you'd like to change the currency of the money you raise. Below, under When should your fundraiser end, click the text field and select the date when you'd like your fundraiser to end. Once you're finished, select Next. Underneath, What's the title of your fundraiser? Type a title for your fundraiser. It should be concise and able to catch the attention of supporters. Under Why are you raising money? Type a detailed description that tells your story and gives supporters a reason to donate. Once you're finished, select Next. If you'd like, you can upload a cover photo or video to accompany your fundraiser by selecting the Edit button toward the bottom right corner. Selecting Upload New Photo Video will allow you to search your device for a photo or video to upload. Below, you can select pre-made artwork from Facebook. Once you're completely satisfied with your fundraiser, select Create. Now that you've created your fundraiser, you can begin inviting your friends to donate or sharing your fundraiser on Facebook and other places on the web. Select Get Started. You'll be given the opportunity to search your friends list to invite them to donate to your fundraiser. You can do this at any time during your fundraiser, so once you're finished, or if you'd like to invite your friends at a later time, select Done. Next, you'll be given the opportunity to share your fundraiser on your timeline. Again, you can do this at any time during your fundraiser, so if you'd like to share your fundraiser at a later time, select Cancel. Next, you'll be given the opportunity to donate to your fundraiser. You'll be asked to provide the amount of money you'd like to donate, the frequency of your donation, and your payment method. You can do this at any time during your fundraiser, so if you'd like to donate at a later time, select the X in the top right corner of the window. From your fundraiser dashboard, you can donate to your fundraiser by selecting the Donate button, and just below, you can invite your friends to donate by selecting the Invite button. Or, you can share your fundraiser to your timeline by selecting the Share button. Below these buttons, you'll be able to track how much money and donations your fundraiser has received. And below that, you can create posts and upload photos and videos within your fundraiser to share with anyone who's chosen to follow it. Another way to share your fundraiser to your timeline is by clicking in the text field on the right side of the page underneath Share Update. Below that, under Fundraiser Link, you can copy a link to your fundraiser so you can share it through email, Instagram, Twitter, and wherever else you like. We hope this video will help you raise funds and make an impact for a cause that's important to you.